Hey everyone, Lauren from Wildflowers here to teach you how to do this Recherche nail. Begin with Wildflowers build in a bottle over a clear nail. Cure that. Then grab the Wildflowers scrubby brush and the Wildflowers glow pigment of your choice. Tap the pigments into the sticky layer, dust off the excess, and then add another coat of Wildflowers clear build in a bottle and cure. Next, grab a cup of room temperature water and add regular nail polish in the color of black to the cup. Spritz it with some hairspray and then grab your nail and dip it in. The alcohol in the hairspray helps to separate the polish. Let it dry completely and then add the Wildflowers top coat gel and cure. Next up, grab the Wildflowers magenta brush and artist gel paints. We are going to add just a little tip on the nail. First, paint the thin line with the magenta brush and then fill in with the indigo brush because it goes a little faster that way. Cure that and add one final top coat to secure everything. Here's the finished look in the daytime, but even better, here it is at night glowing. I hope you all try this and enjoy. Be sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.